It's feeding time, and everybody knows it. Good morning, Rose. I'm very popular. Who's hungry? Good morning, Jessie. So every morning, I come down and throw out a little bit of food for everybody because it lets me get eyes on all the animals just in case someone's in trouble. Speaking of trouble, poor little Davis down here. He's a miniature silky fainting goat. He's full grown, but ow, briars. Ow. He's full grown, but he's just a little feller. But as you can see, he's gotten his hair caught in this briar. So, and he's stuck. It is completely wound. There you go. In his fur. Like, you can see it right here, how tight it was. And so he was down here hollering, "Come on, buddy. Come on, let's get you out of here." So, throwing out a little bit of food in the morning allows me to check on everybody. How do y'all check on your animals?